It's ZayNa's Playhouse!
Hello, friends. Look, all the ABC letters are here. Aren't they colorful? Oh no. The letters are running away. Let's go find them together. Wow! Look, friends. The safari animals are all mixed up. Let's put them back into the puzzle together. Maybe we'll find some letters hiding too. Here's the tall giraffe. Spotty and kind. Roar! The lion is back in his home. Here's the gentle deer. Back you go. Big hippo goes splash, splash. Let's find this animal now. Stomp, stomp. Here comes the elephant. Growl, growl. The bear is home again. Here's the little squirrel. Snap, snap. The alligator goes back in. And here's the sleepy sloth. Slowly back in place. Hooray! And look at the letters we discovered. Wow, friends, time to put the letters back. Here's the letter A, and it goes right here. Now letter B. B is for bear. Now letter E. Letter H goes here on the hippo. Now letter L. L is for lion. Letter S. S is for sheep. Letter Y is for yak. And the last one letter, Z. Z is for zebra awesome. Wow! We found so many letters already. Let's keep looking. Look, friends, let's help them hop back together. Let's try this piece. Oh no, that doesn't fit. Maybe this green piece? Yay, it fits. Now, the other leg. Pop. Perfect. Wow. Let's add the frog's face. Yay, he's smiling now. Time for the eyes. Oh, those don't match. Silly me. Let's try again. Oops. Flip it around. There. Yay! Look, friends. So many letters appeared. Let's clap again and find out. Wow! Awesome! Let's put them where they belong. Here's letter M. It goes right here. Now letter G. G is for goose. And P. Panda. Right here. Now T. It goes in the turtle. And letter V. Vulture. Perfect. Awesome. We found more letters with our froggy friend. Let's keep going. Wow, friends. Look at this big pile of green sand. Should we dig and see what it is? Look, we found the letter N. Yay! Here's the letter K. Wow, the letter O. Letter O. Something is hiding inside. Here's letter U. Yay! Letter X. And the last one, J. Wow! Let's check if there are any more letters hiding. Nope, all empty. No more letters left. Time for some magic. Yay! The letters came back. Let's put them in their places. Here goes the letter O. O is for owl. Now letter K. Here it goes for kangaroo. Letter J. Letter N. N is for narwhal. U is for unicorn. And here's the X. X is for X-ray fish. Great job.
Nice.
Wow. Just a few more letters left. Let's go. Wow, friends. Look, it's a tiger puzzle, but it's all broken. Let's help the tiger get back together. Here's the face, and next is... Does this go here? Right. Now tiger's body. Wait a minute. Oh no, that does not look right. Let's fix it. There. Now the tiger is perfect. Wow. Look, friends. The tiger gave us the last missing letters. Hooray. Let's put these letters back. Here's the letter. D. D is for duck. C is for camel. And Q. Oh, right here. Quail, here it goes. F is for fox. Letter R is for rabbit. And the last one, W is for warthog. Yay! We found all the missing letters. Let's say our ABCs one more time. A is for alligator, B is for bear, C is for camel, D is for duck, E is for elephant, F is for fox, G is for goose, H is for hippo. I? Oh no! Where's letter I? Look! Here comes letter I! Yay! Now we can finish. J is for jellyfish, K is for kangaroo, L is for lion, M is for mouse, N is for narwhal, O is for owl, P is for panda, Q is for quail, R is for rabbit, S is for sheep, T is for turtle, U is for unicorn, V is for vulture, W is for walrus, X is for x-ray fish, Y is for yak, Z is for zebra. Woohoo! We did it! See you next time at ZayNa's Playhouse. Hi friends! All the vehicles are here. Uh-oh! Our puzzle is empty. Let's go on a mission to find all the missing vehicles one by one.
Let's go!
Do you think the fire truck is hiding in this rescue garage? Oh wow! It's the police car, but no fire truck puzzle piece yet. Off you go, Mr. Police Car. Let's open this white door. Oh, it's the ambulance! Off to the hospital you go, Mr. Ambulance. Okay, friends. Time to check our very last door. Yay! We found the fire truck. Goodbye, Mr. Fire. Oh, what's that? Wow, that's our fire truck puzzle piece. Let's put it back on the puzzle board. Right in place. Wow! Look at all these colorful buildings. We have a hospital, a police station, a fire station, and even a hotel. We need to park the right vehicles in front of each building. But wait, look carefully, because one car has a secret. Here's the ambulance. Which building should it go to? Yes, the hospital. Let's drive it in. Beep, beep. Now we have the police car. Where does it belong? Yes, at the police station. Let's park it right here. Good job. Here comes the red fire truck. Where should it go? That's right, to the fire station. Let's drive it inside. Vroom! And finally, the yellow taxi. Where should it go? Yes, it stops at the hotel. Let's park. Oh wait, what's that? It left something behind. Wow, it's the taxi puzzle piece. Bye, taxi. Let's take it back to our puzzle board and put it in its place. Wow! Look at this colorful helicopter. Let's make it fly around the city. Oh wait, what's that? The helicopter dropped something. Hooray! We found another puzzle piece. Perfect fit. I wonder which vehicle will surprise us next. Look, all the kids are waiting. The school bus is here and help them get inside the bus.
Let's go!
Here comes the first friend. Hop on in. Now the second friend, in you go. And here comes the third and fourth. Everyone's inside. Let's drive it to school. The school bus is on its way. Oh, wait. What's that? Wow! It's the school bus puzzle piece. Put it in its place. Yay! Another puzzle complete. Here comes the garbage truck. It's time to dump everything out. Whoa! Look at all the shapes falling out. Do you see it? Hiding in the trash is the garbage truck puzzle piece. Yay! Another puzzle complete. Great job, friends. Look at these colorful race cars. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look, here comes the big truck. It's ready to carry all the cars. Let's load them up one by one. First goes car number 1. Oh, wait, what's this? The white car was hiding the ambulance puzzle piece. Okay, now let's load car number 3 before I take our puzzle piece back on the board. Number 3 and car number 4. Bye-bye. Have a safe trip. Oh, wait a minute. The truck left us the police car puzzle piece. Yay! We found 2 puzzle pieces. Fantastic! Back to your places, police car and ambulance. Wow! Look at these colorful airplanes. Let's see them one by one. First, here's the green plane. Next is a red plane. Vroom! Oh wait, there's another red plane. This one looks ready for an adventure. And finally, here's the blue plane. Let's give it a little shake. Wow! It turned into the airplane puzzle piece. Let's put it on our puzzle board. Yay! We found all the missing vehicle puzzle pieces today. The helicopter, taxi, fire truck, the garbage truck, the police car, school bus, an airplane, and the ambulance. Great job! See you next time for more. Hello, friends! Look at our colorful numbers puzzle. Oh no! All the numbers are gone. Do you see them? Nope. I think we can bring it back together. The train is here with number 1 on it. Do you think it's hiding our missing number? Yes, here it is. Number 1. Just one train. One train. One number. Perfect. I see 2 sandcastles. Do you think number 2 is hiding inside one of them? Let's check. Is it inside the red castle? Nope, nothing here. Okay, let's try the blue one. Ready? Wow, look! Yes, it's number 2 hiding behind the blue sandcastle. Yay! Perfect. 2 sandcastles and we found number 2. Here you go. Look at these colorful garage doors. A red one, a white one, and a blue one. Do you think number 3 is hiding inside one of them? Let's try the red door. Is it inside? Oh, it's empty. Okay, let's try the white door. Open up. Nothing here either. All right, last one. The blue door. Should we open it? Ready? Open! Yay! We found number 3 hiding in the blue garage. Perfect! 3 garage doors, and we found number 3. Great job, friends. Look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cups. Maybe if we drop the balls inside, we'll find number 4. Here goes the green ball. Now the red ball. Next is the white ball. And finally, the brown ball. Wow! Look what came out. It's number 4. The 4 cups and 4 balls gave us number 4. Amazing! Number 4. Look, I see some colorful baskets. 1 purple, 2 orange, 3 blue, 4 red, 5 green. Maybe our missing number 5 is hiding with them. Here comes the purple bird. Let's put it in the purple basket. 1. Perfect. Now an orange bird. It goes in the orange basket. 2. Next is the blue bird. In you go, little bird. 3. Here comes a red bird into the red basket. 4. And finally, a green bird. Let's put it in the green basket. 5. All the baskets are full. Wow! Look what we found. Number 5. The 5 baskets and 5 birds gave us number 5. Good job, friends! Woo, wow! Let's put these shapes in this garbage truck one by one. 1. Here's a red triangle. Let's put it in the triangle hole. 2. Next is a yellow star. In you go. 3. Now an orange rectangle. Slide it in. Perfect fit. 4. Here's a black trapezoid. That one is tricky, but yes, it fits. 5. Now a white hexagon. In it goes. 6. And last, a brown square. 4 sides all the same. Into the square hole. Wow! Look what popped out. Number 6. The 6 shapes helped us find number 6. Awesome. Number 6. Friends, look at the silly hippo. He has so many big white teeth. Do you think we can count his teeth? Yay! Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ouch! He bit me. Ha 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 ha. Silly hippo. We found number 7, guys. 7 teeth. Number 7. Wow. Number 7. Look at all these 8 colorful cups. Maybe number 8 is hiding under one of them. First cup, yellow, pink. Here's orange, greens. The blue cup, another pink one, another orange cup. As last one, the yellow cup. Yes, we found it. Number 8. Woohoo! 8 colorful cups and we found number 8. Great job, friends. We're doing amazing. Look at this big green tree. It looks a little empty. Maybe we can grow some numbers on it. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay! We found number 9. Let's take it to the board. Number 9. Look, friends, I found a colorful caterpillar puzzle. Maybe if we put them back one by one, we'll find our last number. Number 1. Number 2. Let's add it right behind. Number 3. Here comes number 4. Number 5. Wow! Our caterpillar is growing. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Almost there. Number 9. And finally, number 10. Let's place it at the very end. Wow! Our caterpillar is complete. And look here. We have our. Number 10. Let's put it on our board. Number 10. Great job, friends. Now let's put our colorful balls back in their places. Red. 1 red ball. 1, 2. Orange balls. 1, 2, 3 yellow balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 green balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yellow balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 orange balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red balls. Yay! Great job. Let's count our numbers one more time. 1, 2. Let's fix it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. I'll see you next time in ZayNa's Playhouse. Hello, friends. Wow, look at this puzzle. It's full of animals. Oh no! Where did all the pieces go?
Oh no!
Let's go find them together. Look at this fun puzzle. Let's find the right puzzle piece for each animal.
Let's go!
Are you ready to help me? Let's start with this cat. Is this the right match? Yes, it is. Let's try the orange snail. It has a swirly shell. Let's match this piece. That doesn't look right. Let's try again. Click. Good job. Now it's Crocodile's turn. Does this match?
Nope.
No, it doesn't. Let's try this green piece. Wow, fits perfectly. Yay! We got our puzzle piece. Let's take it to the board. Okay, friends. Now let's find the frog puzzle piece. Here it is. Let's place it in. Yay, it's a perfect match. Let's find the elephant piece. Does this match? No. Let's try this one. Wow! Now the tiger. Great, this is cow. Yay! And now our last one for the squirrel. We got another puzzle piece. A squirrel. Let's put it here. All right, friends, let's keep matching our animals.
Okay.
First, let's find the owl. Is this the right piece? Click. Yes. Now let's match the penguin. Try this one. Click. Yes. Waddle. Waddle. That must be the giraffe. Let's match this piece. Click. Perfect fit. And look, we found a giraffe puzzle piece. Let's take it to the big board. Yay! Okay, back to our matching puzzle. Who's next? Oh, here's the panda. Now the bear. Is this the right piece? Click. Yes, the bear is ready too. Next up is the cat. Meow, meow. Let's try this one. Click. And now, our lion. We found the lion puzzle piece. Let's take it to the board. Okay, friends, now we need to find the tree. Ready? Let's clap and see what happens. Wow! Look at that! The bottom of the tree. Let's place it on the board. Now let's go and find the top of the tree. Oh no! All the apples fell from the tree. Let's put them back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The tree looks so beautiful again. And look, what's this? It's the top of the tree puzzle piece. Let's put it on the board. Time to look for this big guy. Okay, friends, now let's pour some blue paint on the plate. Dip, dip, dip. Let's stamp our shapes and see what we find. Look, a frog. Ooh, a butterfly. A bird, so cute, and a blue elephant. Wow, there it is, our elephant puzzle. Let's take it back to the board. Click! Look, friends, here come the colorful birds. Let's help them find their homes. Purple bird goes to house number 1. Orange bird to house number 2. Click! Green bird to house number 5. Click! Blue bird to house number 3. Click. And red bird to house number 4. Click. We didn't get a puzzle piece. Look, there's a white bear here. This isn't our puzzle piece. Let's shake, shake. Wow! Our brown bear puzzle piece. Let's take it to the board. Perfect. Now, friends, we need to find the other tree. Where could it be hiding? Let's see. Wow! Look at that. The bottom of the tree. Let's place it on the board. Perfect fit. We need to find the 3 pieces of the treetop. Here comes the duck. And what's this? A magic shooter? Let's try it. Pew! Whoa! Look, we got 1 piece of the treetop. Quick! Let's take it to the board. Yay! Perfect fit. Ready for round 2? Pew! Pew! Bam! 2 more pieces popped out? How fun is that? Let's grab them and finish our tree crown. Click! Click! Wow! Look at this colorful tree house. Each door has a number. Let's open them one by one and see what's inside. Door number 1. Oh, it's an owl. Hello, door number 2. A cute squirrel with an apple. Let's check door number 5. Oh, there's an apple inside. Let's take it out. Look, it's a fox. Hi, fox. How cute are you? Now, door number 4. Wow, it's a raccoon. Peekaboo, little raccoon. And now our last door number 3. Oh, what do we have here? It's our sloth. We found the sloth. Let's take it back. Here you go, Mr. Sloth. Look at all these animals. Here's an owl. Hoo-hoo! Hi there, little owl. Here's a fox. Hello, Foxy. And here's the deer with antlers, so cool. A tiny yellow squirrel. Look at this deer. So pretty. Let's give it a shake, shake, shake. Wow! We got our puzzle piece. Let's take it to the board. Time to find our last puzzle piece. What a cute hippo. Oh no, he's got my puzzle piece in his mouth. Let's try and take it. Ouch! He bit me. Maybe he's just hungry. Let's give him some cookies. Okay, can I have my puzzle piece first? Yay! 1, 2, thank you, Mr. Hippo. Bye-bye. And ta-da! The puzzle is complete. Great job, friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.